Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W and the 16L mini washer. We'll look at their features, pricing, and usability to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the BLACK+DECKER portable washer is priced at $249 United States dollars, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the 16L mini washer is significantly more affordable at just $69 United States dollars. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and washing needs. In terms of washing capacity, the BLACK+DECKER model offers a 6.6 pounds capacity, suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the 16L mini washer boasts a larger capacity, making it ideal for washing more items at once, such as baby clothes and underwear. This could be a crucial factor for those with larger laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER washer comes with 5 wash cycles, providing versatility for different types of laundry. Meanwhile, the 16L mini washer features a foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. Each product has its unique features that cater to different user preferences and needs. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W and the 16L mini washer have their strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER offers more features and capacity, while the 16L mini washer is budget-friendly and portable. Consider your needs and preferences before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.